Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows Update error code 0x8024a204 in Windows 10 and 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all you have to go settings, then click on troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshoot. In this you can see here Windows Update. Click on run. Then wait for completion. After completion, close this window. Then go to the file explorer. Open your C drive. Double click on Windows. In this you search software distribution folder. You can see here, open this, then double click on download. In this select all files and folder, then click on delete icon. After completion, close this window, then go to the services. Under services, search Windows Update. You can see here Windows Update. Right click on this, click on properties, select here automatic on startup type, then click on apply, click on OK. After doing this, close this window, open your command prompt, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on S to apply. Then type here sfc space / scan now. Then hit enter. Wait for 100%. After 100%, close this window. Again open command prompt. Right click on command prompt. Click on another administrator. Then type here dism space / online space / cleanup minus image space / restore health. Then hit enter. Wait for completion. After completion, close this window. After doing all this method, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys. So in this video, you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.